Hey, how are you? My name's AJ, and I am so excited to walk through a quick tutorial about how to write blog posts on a Squarespace website. So if you've never really used Squarespace before, or you're in the place of I just want to write some blog posts, I don't know how to use this platform, this is the perfect video for you. And so without further ado, let's jump on into the tutorial. So right in front of us is a website that I developed for a client of mine, and as you can see, head to toe, it's a Squarespace website and it's ready to go. Nothing crazy going on here, and as you can see, they actually have a blog where they host stories from history about this amazing place called Mount Rubidoux, that they are a nonprofit that protects this cross on top of it. Very, very cool. And so they obviously have a blog, and if they need to edit that blog, which we're going to do right now, we need to go on to their URL and we need to replace .org with .squarespace.com/config. And this is going to log you into the back end of Squarespace. And if you don't have an account, it will ask you to log in with your Squarespace account, and we can get all that stuff sorted out later. But right now, I'm just going to show you basically how to jump on there. And so you can see right under here, you have this toolbar on the left. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So we're going to go down to pages on this toolbar underneath website. And then you can see we have multiple different pages, but we want to go to this pencil or this pen tip, and it says learn. That's the name of their blog page. And you can see we're getting deeper and deeper. So now we're underneath the settings for that blog page, and you can see there's blog content right here. And so basically, to go and write an article, you're going to go and click this plus button right here, and it will open up a new blog post. You can see you can go in here and enter in the title. And underneath, it's very similar to an inline Word document where you could just go and type whatever you like. Hello, this is a blog post, right? And then you can go through and add images by bringing your mouse over the words that you're typing in, and you can literally just click that plus button right there, and you'll see a variety of different types of blocks that show up. In this case, we're just going to throw in an image block, the most common block used in Squarespace. And to upload to it, you literally are going to click this plus button and upload file. And I don't have any photos right now, so I'll just post a picture of me, because why not? We're not posting this anyway. So you can see an image comes on in, you got your title, your image, and hello, this is a blog post. And if we're not done with it and we want to save it just to make sure but not publish it, we can go up here top left corner and click save. And if you want to publish it, you obviously can hover over this publish button, click that, or schedule it for later. So if you want to sit down, write a bunch of blog posts and schedule them to release once a month or something along the lines of that, this is a perfect option for that. So right now I'm not going to publish it, but it's only because I want to go and do a couple of extra things. So we're going to exit the blog post right now, and you can see that it's auto-populated with our title, which is title, right over here in this list of all the blog posts. And it's a draft. It hasn't been posted yet, but it has been saved. And so you can go jump on here, click these three dots right here, and this is going to be to organize what the blog post actually looks like to viewers of the website, and as well to search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. So we're going to go jump in here and click settings right there. And this first pane, you can see you now are presented with a new little pop-up bubble, and you can do content, options, SEO, social image, share, location, all sorts of good stuff. But today we're just going to stay right in this content pane. And so usually what I do on blog posts is I go and the most captivating image from the blog post, I go and I add in this image right here on this right side of this blob, of this pop-up window. So we're going to go click add image. I usually do the most prominent image, which in this case was me. It's not going to go public. And so then you go, and I always like to go and put in an excerpt. So then when people are on the homepage of the website, they can actually see a little taste of what's inside of the blog. So all that we wrote in there was, this is a blog post. and you can type as much or as little. I have some settings on the back end that don't really matter. And you can see it auto-populated with a title for that blog post. You can go and choose an author. I need to go and add some other authors for us because right now it's just myself. And yeah, you can do lots and lots of stuff. You can do sources. You can even see options in here, just so many good things. So this is SEO, this is for search engine optimization, but really the important part we're staying on is just this main content area. So if I click save, you can see it's actually going to update right over here on the left sidebar. And yeah, it's ready to go. So the way that we're going to publish is go click edit right here. So we're going to click on the blog post and click edit. And then you publish by clicking this button right here. And then once we publish it, it's live and it's ready to go. So it's going to be on our homepage right down here. There it is. There's our blog post. Wonderful. So that's how to write and create a blog post. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can reach out to me either by phone or by my email, which is aj@betterbrandscreative.com. So you can get all this information down in the description. And yeah, I'm really thankful for your time and for your business. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Have a great one.